Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm very excited today because I'm gonna bring you a very quick tutorial and super easy to do about how to do a double exposure in Photoshop. It's super simple, there is million ways of doing it, very complicated, very nice as well, more elaborated, but today we're gonna focus on simplicity. So follow along with me because we're gonna learn how to do that double exposure in under 60 seconds. Okay guys, so the first thing you have to do is select the right picture. It works best when there is clean background, so studio photography works really well for this kind of effect. So now what you have to do, and the only thing you have to do, is duplicate the layer here. So you can press Command J if you have an iMac, or just go here and duplicate layer. Okay, that's it. Make sure you have this tick, so transfer controls, and then in opacity, just put it lower to see what you are doing, but then you can change it anyway. And scale it. There you go. It's super simple, but a simple portrait is more creative if you do something like this, if you want to do something different. So then you can play a lot with this. You can put it like that. You can even change the hue and the color of this layer. Moving this, colorize, you see? There you go. You can also play as well with the saturation and with the lightness. A bit more, okay. And then here you can change the blend mode as well. You can try different modes. This one looks quite cool. Before and after. And super easy, guys. This is super easy to make and super quick, and it's more creative. Let's do another picture as well. For example, this one. We do the same. Duplicate layer. Okay. Change opacity. More or less like that. And then scale. And that's it, guys. You see how simple it is? I like to put it a bit bigger, quite bigger, so there is more contrast between the original picture and the one I'm scaling. But then it's up to you guys, because you can play a lot with this, you can rotate it around, you can do whatever you want, because this is a question of taste. And that would be it, before and after. And you can put it as well in black and white if you want, move the levels. You can play around this a lot with color, scale, size, rotation. You can do a lot of things, and it's super easy, as you saw. In 60 seconds, you were able to do something like this. I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial, guys. Please comment below if you would like me to do more like this, because they are so much fun to make. They are super short and super easy to follow for all of you. And please subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, and I will see you very soon.